As mentioned in the finalizing video in this series, I use NAPS2 PDF software to modify pages in the PDF file. In this video, I'll show you how to delete, crop, deskew, and adjust the brightness and contrast of some pages. Even though I had delete blank pages set for exporting the job from OfficeCam, sometimes those extra pages don't get deleted as they should. I'll use NAPS to delete them, which is as simple as selecting the page, then clicking delete. Next, I'll crop out some of the excessive black surrounding some pages as it's not needed and will use up way too much ink if the reader decided to print the page. The crop function is found under the image icon. A new window opens, which has black handles on the corners and edges. You click and drag on the relevant handles to define the areas you want to crop out of the image. This next example needs some work. It needs to be straightened up, cropped, and the brightness and contrast adjusted for better readability. These settings are under both the image and rotate icons. With the final example, I've left a little bit of black on the right side after cropping. Why? Because the text goes almost to the edge of the page, and the black indicates to the reader that that's all there is, and there's nothing missing. Don't forget to save your changes. Note: one of the settings in NAPS2 is to clear the pages after saving, which is why they disappear from the NAPS2 program. You can also press Clear if you don't want to make any changes to a PDF you've loaded. This will preserve the metadata you may have changed earlier.